Editing TikTok videos is literally the hardest thing, and it makes me want to blow my brain cells out because I absolutely hate editing coming from somebody who started like 2 YouTube channels. But I found this app that makes editing a lot easier and it's a lot quicker as well. So I've partnered up with CrossClip, and today I'll be going into how you can use CrossClip to go and quickly go and edit your TikTok videos. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've been slacking on making videos, but you know what? It's okay, life happens, and I have no excuse besides the fact that I just got lazy. Dab. So here we go. This is crossclip.com, and the URL is up here in the corner. Let's just ignore this tab for now. The homepage that you get to once you open up the page. So it's very self-explanatory. First, you just need to go find a Twitch clip that you would like to turn into a TikTok video. So I already have one pulled up here. I swear, who is clipping my videos? Who is titling these? Y'all making me look really bad, okay? This clip is honestly gonna make me look really bad too. So what you wanna do is you just wanna go and copy the clip real quick. And then once you get the clip URL under here, enter Twitch clip URL. You're just gonna go and paste it right there and hit get clip. It's gonna take a second to upload. All right, and I am over here now because my face was actually blocking a lot of the content, so we're gonna go and refilm it. So if you are lazy, like me, then we're gonna go under layouts if you really wanna be lazy, and there's 3 different preset layouts that you can go and choose from. Portrait split is the traditional, like 1/3 your face, 2/3 gameplay. I personally actually really like portrait crop. If most people have seen my edited TikToks, they generally look something like this, where the gameplay is the full scene and your camera is just smaller and like on top of the gameplay. And the third one is full blur, which has your gameplay in full screen, the background is blurred out, and your camera is above it. So I'm just gonna go and use portrait crop, but you can use either of the 3. We're gonna hit apply presets. Now, if you look at this, it has a green crop for the content and then a red or an orange, sorry, crop for the camera. So we can just drag this over to my face. Now you can go and customize the cropping for the contents and the camera. So camera first, under here during the drop down, you can change it to like a portrait crop, like so. You can change it to a square crop. You just kind of gotta click it for it to like reset like this. Or you can do an unlocked where you just freely click and drag. I like to use this one simply because my camera is cropped on my gameplay scene, so it is not my entire face. And then here, you just gotta drag it to kind of like make it fit. Let's see here. All right, here's me. And then on the output section, I can go and put my face wherever I would like it to be for the outputted vertical video. So the way I like to keep my videos, I don't like putting it directly all the way at the top, because what happens is, depending on the different phone size, like certain phones are longer than others, your forehead will end up getting cropped off. So I like giving a little bit of a wiggle room and actually putting it slightly below so there's that comfort cushion right there, just in case, depending on somebody's phone size, that my face wouldn't get cropped off. Now, for the content as well, you can go and change the cropping for the content, whether you want it to be a landscape crop like this, whether you would like it to be a square crop, and again, you just kind of got to drag it to set the crop. For this format, it doesn't quite matter because it is a portrait, so I can just set it back to portrait, and then I just want to make sure that it is centered on the gameplay that I want to be visible. Now, once you've figured out that you've set things the way you would like to set it, you can also hit this lock button, which means that I can no longer mess around with the camera. The lock toggle is really cool for making sure that you don't move things you don't want to move. And there's also going to be a lock icon next to the tab to indicate that you did lock that layer. And also you can drag layers above or below. So if I were to drag my camera layer below the contents, well, since the content is the entire screen, now my face is behind it and you can't see. So it would be interesting to use it for certain layouts, whether you would like to toggle whether something would be on above or below. Also, if we open up the editor option right here, right, show input borders, this is the input screen, which is the Twitch clip. So we can just switch that off and suddenly you notice that the orange outlines are missing, but the outlines on the output are still there. Now I can go and turn it off for the output borders and those would disappear. So you can get a better view of where your camera lays out versus the background, just in case things are like doubling up. Sometimes the borders would block it. All right, back into the corner we go. And now once you are done, you can just go and hit compile and log in to your respective platform. So I am a Twitch streamer, I'll just log in with Twitch. Don't forget to authorize it. All right, and then add a clever title. So I'm just gonna say, I'm dumb. I hate whomever titled this. All right, just leave the rocket boosters enabled. It basically just makes your clips compile faster, which is obviously really good. Now we're gonna hit start compilation and just let this run. All right, and let's do another example of using one of the different clip presets. So we're gonna go paste another clip that I can grab from my stream. All right, and here we go. This is of my brother just talking shit. So if we go under layout, let's go under full blur. This one looks interesting. I like this one for games like League of Legends and stuff like that. So this one, again, I have the camera crop, so I can drag my camera over there, and let's swap it to unlocked because I like to adjust the cropping, and I go adjust it on this side as well. And it's my brother and I have a twin brother for those of you guys who don't know. And then here we have the content, and now here we can play around with the cropping for the content. So if I choose to, I can crop it as a portrait mode like so, and then we can also adjust it here for the blurred background in case you would like to use your own sort of creativity when it comes along to the cropping of a video. And what I like to do sometimes is I don't like the extremely vertical crop of a portrait, so I like to just make it bigger and zoom it in, but still have that blurred background effect and make sure I crop myself out so it doesn't look weird, and double it up like so. So now if I go under editor and I turn on the output borders, you can kind of see what I'm talking about, right? How it looks like there is the gameplay, and then my head is like on top of the gameplay halfway, kind of like a sticker, and the background is still blurred. I think this looks really cute, and I personally like this because it shows more of the gameplay screen. And one other thing to note, you can also change the output format. So this is for vertical videos if you are doing a TikTok or YouTube Shorts, but let's say you would like to make this a YouTube video, right? You can go and change it to landscape, adjust accordingly for YouTube. So I think this is honestly extremely interesting when it comes to quickly editing and converting clips. A big thing that I have as a content creator is like simply the amount of time it takes me to go make content, which is literally my job. But if there's something that could fast track my editing and my content creation, I am all for it, which is why I absolutely love to see this, and I love how quick and easy it is. And one other thing to note is that you can actually also go and delete things that you would like to get rid of. So if I would like to get rid of the camera and only have the gameplay, well, poof, now the camera's gone. And if I want to bring it back, I hit add layer, and there is layer 0, and I can just go and crop it back over my camera. Now, one more thing I like to do is a lot of my clips, since I'm a very like just chatting type streamer, are me talking, but there is gameplay in the background, but the gameplay isn't relevant to what I'm talking about, right? So you can't actually delete the content layer, but what you can do is just like crop it so it's smaller than your camera. And if your camera layer is above your content layer, then just kind of hide it there, you know? And poof, now I have a video of me talking with the blurred gameplay in the background, because the gameplay was just me shopping and spawn, and I didn't add more info, but it was a video of me bantering with my brother, which was pretty funny. Now I can also unmute it so you can also hear the audio. That's what's going on right there. And again, down here in the yellow bars, you can go and adjust how long you would like to crop the clip to. And once it's done, make sure you go and hit compile. Add the title again and hit start compilation. Now you notice this page, it says looking for easy mode. They do have a mobile app which allows you to share directly through to TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and other social medias. And I have to say, the mobile app is honestly, it makes it so easy. So basically what you'd want to do is you want to go to the mobile app and you want to download it out of your app store. And then you want to open up CrossClip. Once you open it up, it'll ask you to go and log in, and make sure you log in with the same platform that you use to go and log in on your computer. So you want to make sure it's the same. Once it is done compiling, it will show up on your phone on your homepage. So once you click that, it'll give you a little processing loading screen. And once it's done processing, you just hit the pink share clip button, and now you can share it with all your social media. So I have a different clip in here, one where I got my first kill in Apex, and I am uploading this to TikTok. If I hit it, I can also go and share it to Instagram, and I can go and caption it right now. First, Apex Kill, and hit OK and hit share, and it should post to my page. And if I go onto my Instagram page, bam, I already have an Instagram video that is completely uploaded from CrossClip. I will say though, one thing to keep into account, the fact that if you do upload it to Instagram, it uploads it as a square, so anything above or below that square will get cropped off. If you were to not use the mobile app, then make sure you just hit the download button, or you can go and hit this share, and you can go and share it directly to Twitter, Facebook, or Reddit. But yeah, guys, hopefully this video was very helpful in terms of teaching you how to go and quickly edit your TikTok clips and how to go and use CrossClip. Thank you, CrossClip, for sponsoring this video. And I genuinely think it's an extremely useful tool, and I've loved Streamlabs. I've used Streamlabs my entire life. It is the main bot that I use on my stream and the only bot that is actually lifetime subscribed to my Twitch channel. So really, really love this. And it is $5 per month if you would like to go subscribe to CrossClip Pro, which allows you to get rid of the watermark and the outro in the back. And honestly, in my opinion, $5 per month for something that could give you back like hours and hours and hours worth of time in terms of editing is worth it. That's only one boba. All right, guys, but peace out, and I hope to catch you guys in another video. Peace.